So there's the rotation starting to re-strengthen. I wouldn't be surprised if they reissued a tornado warning within the next minute or so. So that alert sound will probably go off pretty soon. But so off to our north, tornado, if it keeps trending up, then it will probably re-strengthen up there, and something might come back down. So hopefully everyone is sheltering and stuff. So we are going to get towards Albany and then head northward from there and let it pass to our north. Yep, there it is. Finally. Yikes. And then you'll keep going this way. Yeah, I think it's like a cop on the megaphone. He just said 20. Yeah. So right up that way is the area of interest, and of course it's rain wrapped. Oh well. Yeah, so in a couple minutes we'll pull over. Yeah, so we're going to be in the rear flank, so that's just, it gets a little breezy and rainy, but it's not the real dangerous part, unless you're in the core of the rear flank, which is right on the south end of the tornado. I'll make sure that we're okay.
So we keep going?
Yeah, for a little bit.
Osceola, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazard includes 50 miles per hour wind gusts and half dollar size hail.
So wind's going to come in from the west, so that means we got space to... Sucks there has to be so much rain. No, I do think that is something. Yeah, I think that is a funnel.
It looks like it's coming down, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be moving that way though. So and then we make sure we get this way if anything. Yep.
We'll be going that way really damn fast.
No, this way.
Look.
Yep, there it is. This way though. But we're okay. I promise. We are fine.
Yeah,
that's
it. Happening right there.
Yeah, here, move up beyond these trees. Yeah. Maybe briefly this driveway. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
How about?
Guy has no idea. It's literally forming right behind his dang house. Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yep, it's roping out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it may not even come down. Who knows?
It looks like it's going back up.
Yeah.
That was wild. You could see it like pulling down.
Yep.